Looking for the best SQL course on Coursera? In this review, I'll share my top 3 SQL courses and explain which one is best for beginners, data analysts, and aspiring data scientists. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. My number 3 pick is SQL for Data Science from the University of California, Davis. This course is beginner-friendly and one of the most popular SQL courses on Coursera. You'll learn SQL queries, relational databases, filtering, sorting, joins, and how SQL is used in real data science projects. It's a great choice if you want a quick introduction to SQL. At number 2 is Databases and SQL for Data Science with Python from IBM. This course goes beyond basic SQL by teaching database management, SQL queries, and how to combine SQL with Python for data analysis. It's highly rated and an excellent option if you're planning to move into data science or analytics. My number 1 recommendation is the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate. Although it's a complete career certificate instead of a single SQL course, it offers the best overall value. You'll learn SQL alongside Excel, Python, data visualization, dashboards, and business analytics through practical projects. By the end, you'll have job-ready skills instead of just SQL knowledge. So, which one should you choose? If you're completely new to SQL, start with SQL for Data Science. If you want stronger technical skills, choose IBM's databases and SQL for Data Science with Python. But if your goal is landing a data analyst job, the IBM Data Analyst Professional Certificate is my top recommendation because it teaches SQL in the context of real workplace projects. If you're planning to learn SQL along with Python, Power BI, Excel, AI, or data analytics, buying courses individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from IBM, Microsoft, Google, Meta, and many of the world's leading universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about building in-demand tech skills, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.